Hello to all employers, good day. My name is Ana Marie R. Mangruban, 32 years of age, single. In my 4 years experience as a household here in the Philippines, I do household chores like cleaning, ironing, cooking, mopping the floor, doing laundry, and taking care of newborn babies. In my second employer, I have 4 years experience as a caregiver in the orphanage. My duties and responsibilities are taking care 13 children, including newborn, babies, toddlers, and teens, ensuring their safety, attending to their basic needs such as feeding, bathing, changing diapers, if applicable, dressing up and getting kids ready for bed, and also doing household chores like cleaning their rooms and bathrooms, doing laundry, ironing, cooking, preparing their meal, sending to school, and fetching, buying errands, and also take the children to the hospital if they have sick. And I am honest, adaptability, time management, hardworking, and dedicated person. And I willing to learn the task given. If you hire me, I will do my best to do my duty, and I promise to finish my contract and work with you as long as you need me. I hope you choose me as your helper. Thank you, and God bless us all.